S13 What's this, Roy?
It's the GDX 3071 Gen 2.
New turbo going on. This is the S13 super lightweight bonnet. Very stable. Flexible. So there's a
3076 Series 1.
I guess I can. Or I can swipe in.
I want them to fucking see this here. Surely they could just turn this bracket and have it down that way a bit, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna mount it.
Yeah.
Well, I've got that bender now, so I can make brackets.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, just move it.
Yeah.
It's hidden intercooler. It's like fucking fins and shit.
new radiator, new turbo, fuel filter, new seat. S13 tilt motor, bit of a drift car. Just got a new exhaust fitted. It actually sounds pretty good. I think it's quieter than mine. So here's the 180 painted now. Actually, the screw came out of the headlight shroud and broke off there, so I've got to fix that now. And the screw that was here was hitting on that and made a little dent, so I've got to try and get that fixed after I just painted the whole thing. But as you can see, it's pretty clean. I even got the fender braces on there, down there, so it doesn't flop around. Roof's very clean now, nice and smooth. The next step, I'm going to refurb these wheels, clean all the gunk off. I tried to get them done from someone else, but no one has time, so I'm going to have to do it myself. I got a set of Hankook RF4s, big tube. Driving to B2R. I'm going to get Roy's cars fixed up and tuned. First drive together actually for a while, the S13 and the 180SX. So looking forward to how this one's going to go with the Gen 2 3071. Should be pretty responsive still at about 350 kilowatts, hopefully. All goes well. But I was trying to go get some fuel, drop it off, and hopefully